Hi, everyone. Welcome. We've just wrapped up phase one of the Groundforce Studio Funder Research and AI Agent pilot. This collaborative program is all about building digital capacity for social impact organizations by leveraging open data and AI. We're following a four-step design sprint methodology: learn, design, build, and pilot. Today, I'm sharing a recap of what we covered during our first two sessions in the learn phase. In session one, we dove deep into the raw materials of our project, open data on Canadian foundations. Before building anything, we needed to really understand the landscape we're trying to navigate. Our focus is specifically on Canadian foundations, thanks to the rich open data sets available through the Government of Canada. We looked at what is currently available to charities, the inherent challenges, and the new opportunities AI creates for prospect research. Right now, charities typically have three paths. One, pay for searchable database access that can cost up to $5,000 a year. Two, manually search individual foundation websites. Or three, use free but technically complex government data. Canada is a world leader when it comes to the open data it makes available. We have full financial details and grant records for over 85,000 registered charities and 11,000 foundations. However, this data is often underutilized simply because the files are too large for standard tools like Excel. We identified several major barriers: the cost of quality tools, the technical complexity of merging fragmented files, and the limitations of static keyword searches. For example, a standard search for youth programs might completely miss a foundation that uses the term adolescent services. Our goal is to overcome these hurdles by building a working AI agent using low-code tools. We want a tool that understands plain language so that a user can ask a simple question like, "Find foundations in Ontario that fund youth programming," and get an accurate, intelligent list in return. In session two, we shifted from the data to the platforms. We needed to decide which tools would best help us put that data to work. We made a strategic choice to focus on visual, low-code platforms. While developer platforms offer granular control, they have a high barrier to entry. Visual builders allow for rapid prototyping, letting us go from an idea to a working tool in hours rather than weeks. After reviewing the options, we selected two platforms for our pilot: OpenAI's Agent Builder and Flowise AI. OpenAI offers the lowest barrier to entry with natural language instructions, while Flowise provides more customization without requiring us to write complex code. We decided to move away from Google Vertex AI for now, as it felt too enterprise-heavy for the scope of this pilot. As we move forward, we are exploring RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of this as giving our AI a specialized textbook of open foundation data to read before it answers a question. If you want to follow our progress or try these tools yourself, all materials, including the Google Colab walkthrough for data transformation, are available in the Groundforce Studio Resource Kit. We are now moving into the design and build phases, where we'll start sketching the solution and preparing the data for the actual agent. I'd invite you or a member of your team to join us. You can learn more and register for all upcoming sessions at groundforce.io.